This is the incline forearm plank. And the reason why we have it on incline is that if you're a beginner to strength, planking from the floor might be a bit hard at first, and you'll eventually get there. But like with the push-up, the key to starting on the plank for the first time is from a higher surface. So before we get in position, I'm going to show you. My arms will look like this. I don't want to hold like this. I'm going to make two fists with my forearms parallel to each other. And then the other thing to remember is there's no butt pike. So if you saw me and tilted the camera sideways, I wouldn't look like this. I'd be like this. So this is how we get in position. So like that, onto counter, and then I step, it's nice and stable here, I step my feet back, and the tendency will, like as I said, because you feel like I don't want to fall, but I want you to scoop that pelvis forward. That immediately tightens up my core, and you're going to hold the plank in this position. If this feels super easy to you, the next step for advancement will be simply going to a lower surface. So again, start with your arms firmly planted on the lower surface, and again, you're not going to have the butt, you're going to scoop the pelvis forward and hold it very tightly with your legs clenched together. And if eventually, when that gets easy, you will do the same thing on the floor. Got your forearms, and again, even people who are advanced sometimes do the butt pike. Always remember the pelvis scoop as you hold the plank. And that is the incline forearm plank exercise.